Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we discussed about least count. It is the smallest measurement that can be accurately measured using an instrument. And for a meter scale, the least count is 1 millimeter. Can you measure a length less than 1 millimeter using a meter scale? Let's see some activities that gives you an idea how to measure a length whose measurement is less than 1 millimeter. The first activity is to measure the thickness of a sheet of paper. For that, take 100 sheets of paper and pile it up to make a bundle. Measure the height of this bundle using a scale. By dividing this height by the number of sheets, we get the thickness of a sheet of paper. For example, if the height measured for 100 papers is 5 cm, then thickness equal to 5 divided by 100. That is equal to 0.05 cm. The second activity is to find the thickness of a thin metal wire. Wind the metal wire up to a particular length and count the number of windings. Divide this length to the number of windings, then we get the thickness of the wire. For example, if the length measured using a meter scale is 5 cm for 10 windings, then the thickness of the wire equal to 5 divided by 10. That is equal to 0.5 cm. The next activity is to find the length of a curved line. We cannot measure the length of a curved line using a meter scale. But using a thread, we can find out the length. So, place a thread exactly over the line and mark its starting and ending points using a pen. Then, place this thread in front of the scale and measure its length. The last one is to find the diameter of a sphere. For that, place the sphere in between two wooden blocks whose diameter is to be measured. Using a meter scale, it can be measured. Here, the meter scale is in between 3.5 and 2. Then, diameter equal to 3.5 minus 2. That is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So, let's see some other units of length. We know the basic unit of length is meter. Smaller units like centimeter, millimeter, micrometer, nanometer are also used in certain situations for convenience. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. That means 1 by 10 raised to 2 meter equal to 1 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Millimeter. 1000 millimeter equal to 1 meter. That we have discussed in our previous class. So, 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 raised to 3 meter. 1 millimeter equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Next is micrometer. Ten raised to 6 micrometer is 1 meter. So, 1 micrometer equal to 1 by 10 raised to 6 meter. That means 1 micrometer equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. A micrometer is a common unit of measurement for wavelengths of infrared radiations as well as sizes of biological cells and bacteria. The width of a single human hair ranges from approximately 20 to 200 micrometer. Now you got an idea how small it is. The next unit is nanometer. 10 raised to 9 nanometer is 1 meter. So, 1 nanometer equal to 1 by 10 raised to 9 meter. That means 1 nanometer equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Nanometer is used to measure things that are very small. Atoms and molecules are measured in nanometers. For example, a water molecule is less than 1 nanometer. We use a bigger units like kilometer to measure the distance between two places. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer, or 10 raised to 3 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Units like astronomical unit, light year, parallelic second known as parsec, etc. are used for measuring distance to planets or stars. 1 astronomical unit is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun. This distance is approximately 15 crore km. 1 light year is the distance travelled by light in 1 year. In vacuum, light travels 3 lakh km in 1 second. The next one is parallelic second or parsec. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. Dear students, let's conclude today's session. Today we have discussed about how to measure a length less than 1 millimeter using a meter scale, and also smaller and bigger units of length. There is an activity for you. On the basis of the given information, answer the following questions. In the next class, we will discuss these questions. See you again. Thank you.